Hi, I'm Michael.
Hi, I'm Bati, and we are from Asset.Digital.
That's right. But yeah, so since we started at Asset.Digital, we went a long way. We developed loads of websites, and all of them load very fast in browsers, right? And I get calls from customers, and they keep asking me the same thing. What is it we do to those websites to achieve such a great speed of loading? What shall I tell them?
Well, to achieve the optimum speed when it comes to website, you have to combine WordPress with progressive web apps and accelerated mobile pages.
Right.
So when you try to achieve that, you will realize in the process you lose user experience.
Okay, and that happens because WordPress is not naturally compatible with accelerated web pages and progressive web apps. Is that correct?
That is right. And that's why we use GE framework. So with the help of GE framework, we can marry all these technologies together without losing user experience.
Great.
Yes.
Okay, so what are the main benefits of using GE framework and WordPress together?
First and foremost, it's about the speed.
And so what kind of speeds are we talking about?
If you test our website, which is Asset.Digital on Google Pages Speed Testing Tool,
right,
you'll see we get 100 out of 100 for mobile devices and 99 out of 100 for desktops.
Of course, that's great, isn't it? Okay, so what are the other benefits of using GE framework together with WordPress?
Well, one of the other major important points is that we get the best security. When it comes to WordPress itself, it's a great platform.
Yes, it's very popular, right?
It's very popular. At the same time, it's popular for hackers. The custom solution that we have made, it has so many security layers on top of each other, and that makes sure it's even more difficult for them to compromise the security.
Alright, so the technology that we use make the hackers confused.
Yes.
And that obviously is in our favor.
It is.
Okay, so what are the other benefits of using GE framework and WordPress?
One of the other major important points is that we use WordPress as a content management system. So since the WordPress is so popular, it has so many plugins that can help us optimize the content. So we use WordPress as a content management system, so we can get all this optimized content from WordPress and publish it on this custom solution with the help of all these technologies.
So we're still benefiting from all of those fantastic plugins that come with WordPress, such as Yoast, and we can optimize content using WordPress and publish it online using GE framework, right?
Exactly that.
That's great. Thank you very much. I encourage viewers of this video to test our website, which is Asset.Digital, with Google's speed testing tool. Thank you.